Zeke, why are you in the US? And why are you not in California? You just crossed the border from Ontario going to Chicago. Happy birthday, Zeke Stanley Ramirez Beltran. Today, which is April 17 in Chicago, it's in the evening. Today is, at the moment, I think, is 10:58 in Chicago p.m. Zeke Stanley, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Budjik. Happy birthday to you.
Music.
Sa'yo mama, message sa mong birthday.
Made my birthday very special.
Kung sa imong ika-message sa world peace.
Kalma ra yung sigwar.
Ikaw, Teter, kung sa'yo mong message sa birthday boy.
Happy birthday.
Hi to your dad and your
You
mom.
check this?
Hi there. You can. I mean, a little.
I think
Love you both.
Ito, dili kuno siya mukaon ug dili siya mo'y galuto. Happy birthday.
Birthday day.
Grabe.
Ay, ka-video ha?
Gaya.
Ka-video rin.
Ay. To, breakfast ba? Muna siya appetizer, oh. Cheers, Zeke. Budidog, cheers. Alabala eh. Blow, Zeke. Birthday, Zeke! Budidog! Bololoy, kita. Zeke, happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Budidog! Muna pinakagilngi ko. Kung saan natin ito? Ilugro, Zeke. Ilugro. Ilugro. Ala, gabiya trick shot, honey, oh. Kuha ni siya, ladies night nga billiards.